English for gentle minds.
A space for calm clarity and meaningful conversations.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Gentle Minds. I'm John.
And I'm Britney. We're happy you're here with us today.
This podcast helps you learn English by listening to real conversations. We talk slow, we talk clear, and we talk about real things.
Today's topic is really interesting. It's about respect. What are the small things, tiny things that make people respect you more?
That's a big question. Respect is important in life, in work, in family. But here's the twist. Sometimes it's not the big things that matter.
Yeah, it's not always about big success or loud words. Sometimes it's saying thank you or holding a door or listening.
Some things are easy to do, but many people forget them.
So today we ask, what are the tiny things that help you earn big respect? And which ones do people really notice?
And you might be surprised by some of them.
We'll talk about people, kindness, truth, manners, and cats.
We'll also help you with useful English words and phrases.
So, if you want to speak better English and be a better person, stay with us.
Let's start. But first, if you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe and leave a comment.
And tell us what's one small thing someone did that made you respect them. We'd love to know.
So, Brittany, let's start simple. What is respect to you?
I think respect is when people see you and think, I like how you act. It's not fear, it's not fame, it's more quiet.
That's good. Respect is not about being loud, it's about how you treat people. And the funny thing is, many people think respect is hard to earn, but some tiny actions can change how others see you.
Yeah, like when someone says thank you. It's two small words, but it feels big.
Exactly. Many people respect you more when you show small signs of kindness, like holding a door open or saying, I'm sorry when you make a mistake.
Or listening when someone talks, really listening, not looking at your phone.
That's a big one. These little things show that you care, that you are honest, that you are aware of others.
I like that word you used, aware. It means you notice people, right?
Yes. When you notice others, they feel seen. That builds trust. And trust is part of respect.
So, John, are tiny things more important than big things?
Sometimes, yes. Think about this. You can be very smart or rich or famous. But if you're rude to a waiter, people lose respect fast.
That's true. I once saw a man yell at a bus driver. Just because the bus was late, I didn't know him, but I didn't respect him after that.
That's a perfect example. How we treat people, especially people we don't need to impress, shows our real character.
So we're saying little things are not little. They show who you are.
Yes, and anyone can do them. You don't need money or power to say hello or to smile or to return a shopping.
Okay, so now I'm thinking, what are some of these tiny things that really work? What makes people say, wow, I respect that?
We'll go through many today. Some are about manners, some about honesty, some about kindness, and some may surprise you.
Ooh, I like surprises.
Let's get into the real stories. I'll tell you one that stayed with me for years. So here's a small moment. I remember I was at a restaurant. The waiter came to refill my water. I said, "Thank you," and he stopped. He looked at me and said, "Most people don't say that."
Wow, just a thank you?
Yes, it was so normal to me. But for him, it was rare that made me think some people work hard and no one sees them.
That's so true. I worked in a coffee shop when I was younger. Some customers said, please or thank you. Some didn't even look at me. I remember the kind ones more than the rude ones.
That's a great example. Words like please, mate, thank you, or even I appreciate you can go far. They're small, but they feel strong.
And not just words. One time, I was on a bus. An old woman walked in. No one moved. I gave her my seat. She smiled and held my hand. That made my day.
Giving up a seat shows care. It also shows respect for age. It says, I see you, I value you.
It's sad that many people look at their phones and pretend not to see.
Yes, that's the other side. Many don't look up. They miss small chances to show good manners.
John, have you ever helped someone with groceries?
Once I helped a man carry heavy boxes. He didn't ask, I just offered. He looked shocked. Then he smiled and said, people don't do this much.
See? That's what I mean. A small act, big respect.
What's another one for you?
Oh, my little cousin. He's 6. One day, we were walking. He saw a piece of trash on the ground. He picked it up and threw it in a bin.
That's amazing.
And he said, we have to take care of the world, right? I wanted to cry.
That's a child with awareness. Respect starts young.
Also, I like when someone says sorry without giving excuses. Just, I was wrong, I'm sorry. That's big to me.
Yes, taking responsibility earns a lot of respect. It's honest. No blame, no lies, just truth.
People think saying sorry makes them weak, but it makes them strong.
Another moment, I saw a man help a cat cross a road. He stopped his car, got out, and helped it get to the other side.
That's sweet. I respect people who care for animals.
Exactly. If you're kind to someone weaker like a cat, or a child, or someone nervous, it shows true heart.
One more, my grandma. After dinner, my friend stood up and said, "Can I help you clean?" My grandma smiled so big she talked about that for days.
Helping clean up shows respect for the host. It's small, but not many people do it.
It's about thinking of others, not just doing what's easy.
Do you ever notice how some people use your name? Like, thank you, Britney. Not just thank you.
Yeah, that feels personal. It makes me feel seen.
Learning and using names is one of those tiny habits that build connection. And connection builds respect.
Also, I respect people who listen and don't interrupt.
That's a great one. Many people just wait to speak. They don't really hear, but when someone listens to understand, it feels rare.
Don't look at their phones while you talk.
Exactly eye contact. A nod, a smile. These are tiny things, but they say, I care about what you say.
So, holding doors, saying thanks, listening, helping, using names. These are the tiny respect makers.
Yes, and the great thing? Anyone can do them anytime. No cost, no big stage.
It makes me want to do more of them.
And when you do, people notice. Even if they don't say it, they feel it.
Okay, I have one more. My friend was late. She texted me, "I'm sorry I'm late. I should have left earlier." That's on me. No excuse. Just honesty.
That's beautiful. That's what earns deep respect. Owning a mistake. Being kind. Thinking of others, let's stop here for a second. We've talked about many little actions. Now let's help our listeners with some useful English.
Yes, time for my favorite part, words you can use in your life. Easy, simple, but strong.
The first one is thank you. You can say this when someone gives you something, helps you, or does something nice, like when a waiter fills your glass.
Even better, say the person's name, like, "Thank you, Anna." That makes it feel warm.
Another one is I'm sorry, but not with an excuse. Just, I'm sorry I was late. Or I was wrong, I'm sorry.
You can also say, "That's my fault," or "That's on me." It means you take the blame. That shows you are honest.
Here's a good phrase. I appreciate you. It's more than thanks. You can use it when someone helps you, listens to you, or does something kind.
I also like, "Can I help you clean?" This is nice after dinner or when visiting someone's home. It shows respect.
If someone is talking and you want to show you're listening, say, I hear you, or just nod and keep your eyes on them. That's body language.
Another one is, "Please take my seat." You can say this on the bus or train when someone older or tired comes in.
One more good one. Let me get that for you. You can say it when someone has heavy bags or needs help.
Also, excuse me before you speak or move past someone. It's polite, it's small, but it matters.
Let's not forget I was wrong. This is hard to say, but it earns real respect.
And if someone does something kind to you, say, "That means a lot to me." It shows your heart.
These are all simple phrases, but if you use them, people will see you in a new way.
And if you're learning English, repeat them. Try them in small moments. It helps your brain grow stronger with English.
You don't need big words. You need real words. Honest ones.
Be kind, be real, be clear. That's where good English and respect start.